Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Packaging a Python script as an executable, a step-by-step tutorial. Packaging a Python script as an executable allows you to share your code without requiring the recipient to have Python installed. This is especially useful when distributing applications or tools to users who may not be familiar with Python. In this tutorial, we'll explore the process of packaging a Python script as an executable using a popular tool called pyinstaller. Step 1. Install pyinstaller. First, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download Python from python.org. Once Python is installed, you can install pyinstaller using pip. Step 2. Create your Python script. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's create a simple Python script named example_script.py. Step 3. Open a terminal/command prompt. Navigate to the directory where your Python script is located using the terminal or command prompt. Step 4. Run pyinstaller. Run the following command to package your Python script as an executable. This command tells pyinstaller to create a single executable file, -1 a file, for your script. Step 5. Locate the executable. After pyinstaller finishes its process, you'll find a new dist directory in the same location as your script. Inside the dist directory, you'll find the executable file, which has the same name as your script but without the .py extension. Step 6. Test your executable. Run the generated executable in the terminal or command prompt. On Windows. On Unix-based systems, Linux or Mac OS. You should see the Hello, World message printed to the console. Optional, customize pyinstaller options. Pyinstaller provides various options to customize the packaging process. For example, you can specify the output directory, include additional files, or set the application icon. Refer to the pyinstaller documentation for more details. Congratulations! You've successfully packaged your Python script as an executable using pyinstaller. Now you can distribute the executable file to others without requiring them to have Python installed on their systems. ChatGPT